It all started on that cool November evening. It was 7:42, and I had received a call regarding a strange anomaly. I had heard rumors, but I had doubted they were true. It has been a long time for the city. This is all because of Luciano. His coming nearly brought about the destruction of this place. As I rounded the corner, I saw a strange sight. It was a pigment unlike anything I've seen, scattered through the alleyway. Either whoever moved it was sloppy, or this was left as a trail. As I looked up, I saw a figure of light vanish around the corner. Wherever this was, I had to follow. The city has been strange of late, but not this strange. The trail ended at Luciano's tower. I figured he had to be behind this all. You know, ever since that dang crook came here, waves of organized crime have hit the city like tidal waves. When I finally got inside the room, all I found was a box. At first I thought I had entered the wrong room. I barely noticed a dark figure looming behind me, before a figure of light took him away and left me alone with the box. How strange, but let's see what's in here. As I opened the box, a bright light flooded the room. You know, I never figured out what was really in that box, but I'm grateful that at least the city is peaceful now.